Arey, how is that? Nobody on the chair? Akka, hello. Uh, okay. I think let me just take some time and do my riyas. By the time Akka will be there, I think so. Yeah, I've not practiced this shloka since long. Let me do this. Okay, that is fine. Yeah.
Om Namah Shivaya. Eka Sindhu Chaturbhujam Trinayanam Trinayanam Vametu Dushtoragam Chandram Patram Shiki Prasaritam Urdhvapadam Kunchitam Sarve Swastika Mandalam Dhamarugam Dhamarugam Gange Jade Vipratam Vande Surya Shashankavanhi Anishum Vande Surya Shashanka Vanhinayanam Anisham Anisham
Hello. Hello, Akka. How are you?
I'm good. That was so amazing. That was so amazing, Pavi. It was so nice. Amazing.
Thank you. तो मैं आपको ढूंढ रहा था, आप दिखे नहीं तो मैंने बोला कि मैं एक श्लोक परफॉर्म कर लेता हूँ.
यही तो मैं चाहती थी.
अरे
I
वाह,
knew you
वाह.
would do this. I knew
Oh,
you would
lovely.
do this. And I wanted audience to see you first and see you dancing. I knew you would do this once you don't get to see someone on the, picture. You would be dancing.
You know me the best. I know.
It is so
How are
nice.
you?
At this lockdown time, we can, see each other. We can talk to each other. And I know you so well. And
Yeah.
you're like a small brother. जैसे मैं तुझको
Yes.
चिमटा बुलाती हूँ.
That's why I call you Akka.
हाँ, and that's why I call you Chimta. That's our code word. But there are a lot of people who would like to know more about you, and especially in the scenario of Indian classical dance, male dancers are facing a lot of problems. Also the perks and also the problems. It's not that it's only problems, there are perks also, and there are problems also. Although I believe that the whole classical art has survived because of the male dancers, because we have the male gurus. Earlier, the woman was not allowed to perform or dance, and it was the male fraternity, male gurus who have kept our culture alive, our art alive. So that's why it's a living art style. So
Yeah.
tell me about your journey as a Bharatanatyam dancer. I know that you didn't face any opposition from your family. I think so, if I'm not wrong. But tell me about your journey.
Right from my starting age.
Yeah.
Okay. So I was 4.5 when I started my Bharatanatyam classes, and the best part of the whole story is that हमारे स्कूल में सर्कुलर आया था
Yeah.
कि किसी को अगर डांस क्लास में ज्वाइन करना है तो प्लीज गिव योर नेम एंड
Okay.
आई वाज इन अ कॉन्वेंट स्कूल
Okay.
and believe me, the whole school I was the only one who raised the hand.
Okay.
एंड तो टीचर्स बोले कि अच्छा एक ही लड़के के लिए तो हम आएंगे नहीं स्कूल में सिखाने, why don't you come to some other branch of ours?
Mhm.
So then I went there, and then simultaneously within 6 months there were many more admissions in the school for Bharatanatyam, and then our school only had the Bharatanatyam class. Here teacher liked my fast quick picking up of the steps, so then she started promoting me in dance classes, putting me into various dance batches with my seniors. And जैसे आपने भी देखे होंगे कई कई बहुत छोटे बच्चे होते हैं जो सीनियर्स को देख के खुद भी डांस करते रहते हैं साइड
Right.
साइड में.
Right.
So I was one of them.
Okay.
So then and my parents first thought, rather than me just doing anything in the house, any dance, why don't we put him into Bharatanatyam class?
That's so nice that your parents were very open about it.
Absolutely.
Because even during my time, the society was not so open. But at your
My
time, also, I
father,
don't think.
my father is an engineer,
Yeah.
and my mom has training under Carnatic music.
Okay.
So I think dance or art has come to me in such a way that, so my mom has, there are 12 siblings.
Oh.
So usme se everybody knew one or the other art form. Like
Okay.
all 6 sisters used to sing,
Okay.
and all 5 brothers,
Okay.
they used to have one or the other instrument.
Okay.
They knew like violin, mridangam, one or the other instrument. And one of my uncles was a Yakshagana artist
Okay.
who used to
Nice.
sing for Yakshagana. So the thing is, but my grandfather thought that if he encourages even one
Mhm.
उस time पे, then he would have had to encourage everybody. So then he
Okay.
stopped everybody's art, and then absolutely, and then it was a very very small village near Mangalore.
Mhm.
And then I should say I was lucky that I had this art since my birth, and my parents found it, and they put me into a very good dance class nearby our house, where I got training under Kumari Basanta ji and Subbalakshmi ji.
Okay.
So there were 2 sisters who had almost till date, I think they would have trained around 2,000 students. Fantastic teachers. And then after that, I did my Arangetram under them. It was just a hobby class.
Okay.
Till my 12th standard, I was under them.
Okay.
And then in a competition, I met Deepak sir, where he was
Okay.
judging me.
Okay.
And he disqualified me
Deepak
in the
Majumdar.
competition.
Pandit Deepak Majumdar.
Deepak Mazumdar sir,
Yeah.
yes. He disqualified me in that competition because he thought that what the story was that he said, if I would have given you prize, then you would have never come to me to ask, how can you get better?
Oh.
You had fabulous talent, fabulous grace.
Right.
But among the 5 top finalists, you were
Uh-huh.
not up to the mark. So I thought we should not encourage him just by giving a prize, but
Uh-huh.
rather than tell him that you come again next year, and
Okay.
you should not get a prize this year.
Okay.
So then I spoke to him, and then I spoke to many other gurus around Bombay and Bangalore, and many of them suggested me to go to Deepak sir to learn.
Okay. Okay.
And that's the history, that he groomed me. He actually guided me with every single thing to become a classical performing artist.
Mhm.
And he said nothing better than becoming a teacher also simultaneously, where you will get better as an artist.
I think
So
you
then
started your school, the Bharatanatyam dance school.
I started my
quite
school,
early.
which is 18 years old now.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
I won't ask your age. We'll do it behind the camera.
Yes.
I must be knowing it by your profile because you have been once you have been our Natraj dancer. I think you were
Yes.
the opening dancer for the
Yes.
first year of the
First year.
Natraj festival in
Yeah.
2010.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
then we did the Maharas, which was
Yes.
a very big hit and people want it still back. So
Yes.
yeah, we shall do it. Let this year go by. We shall get it back again.
Absolutely.
So it's
Inshallah.
again because audience has been asking for the Maharas again, so we should get it back.
Yeah.
Pavitra, you're from Bombay, right?
Yeah.
So do you think like there are loopholes of our classical art fraternity or the society also. I was having a chat with some of my young dancers on a Saturday night. So they don't want to become dancers or artists. They don't want to take it as a profession because they said it was a very intelligent and a smart answer that our fraternity or our career has a very unstructured formula or a very unstructured process. So
True.
it is difficult. We artists don't start with a 50K pack or a 60K pack, you know. So it is difficult because if you see our friends who are in corporate or anywhere else, even in a teaching fraternity in a school or something, so it is easily a 40K package or a 30K package to start with or a 50K package to start with. So do you think somewhere this has created a lull in taking the career in your friends and students
Frankly,
because you're successful, so that is a different story.
yeah.
But
So
what
that's
about
what.
the younger people?
Frankly, I do not know how I survived. Maybe because I started teaching really, really young. When I was not in a stress or a responsibility of earning a lot, because I was also studying the same time. So maybe that's why. And then simultaneously, there was a parallel career running of performing and teaching. So for me, I think it was much easier, or maybe the time when I was there, I don't say I'm very old, but still the time when I started my career as a dancer, the competition was much lesser than how it is now.
Okay.
And now I feel the youngsters are fantastic. Like
Yeah.
every single dancer is fantastic.
Yes.
The younger generation which is coming up because they are much more aware of things because of social media. So उसके वजह से कैसा है कि हर एक को उस लेवल में आने के लिए बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. But there is also a parallel career which their friends are taking, which has a 5-digit salary or a 6-digit salary.
Yes, that's becoming a problem.
Exactly. So that is the problem.
Yes.
So I think if it is not a very easy career to take up, if they have to be really strong mentally, I think, to work really a lot, or they have a big backing from their either godmother, godfather, or parents.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And also another problem that I think there is, or we don't talk about the problems, that is the lobby. That is a lobby system. You know, I'm not going to make it a very sugar-coated show because everything is very hypocrite in today's society, and people are usually sugar-coated. But you know that I would like to take the thing by collar. So, do you think there's a Bombay lobby and a Delhi lobby or a Bangalore lobby which works in this art style? And how do you break it? Because you're dancing everywhere. So, is there a lobby? Do you think there's a lobby? And what do you think about that?
I am not sure about the lobby as for now, but initially, yes, I faced a problem when I went to some places where I am not sure about the lobbying, but yes, it is necessary either to be seen from your art that आप इतने ऊंचाई में चले जाओ कि people will come to talk to you.
Yes.
And you are in the circle where there are fantastic artists now also who are there. or you have to be seen, which you are calling a lobby maybe?
No, not seeing. They are like, it could be like, one artist with another artist. So the whole team works together and they don't have an entry for another artist. It is there.
हाँ ऐसे अच्छा
Invisibly,
अच्छा.
it is there.
So
It
it's
is there.
like you call me, I call you.
Yes. So it is there.
वो
We cannot
तो
deny it.
वो है वैसा ज्यादा है
हाँ, है ना?
वैसा ज्यादा है डेफिनेटली है डेफिनेटली है बट आई ऑल्सो फील थोड़ा सा अभी थोड़ा चेंज हुआ है मुझे पता नहीं आई फील आर्ट is there and if you are really fabulous then I think you will be called.
Yeah. No, art is there. It will survive forever. So it
but
is not
ज़्यादा
that.
lobbying भी है.
There's ज़्यादा lobbying भी है. There's a lot of politics. We cannot deny in that politics of our fraternity.
Yes.
Pavitra, there are a lot of people online and they love you so much. And I think they love me
अच्छा
also.
दीदी, this is in your page? In your
this
page
is
live?
on my page, yeah. And by tomorrow it will go on to
Aipa
the
और Alaknanda.
Alaknanda Kathak.
Live है?
Live hai,
oh, yeah.
and
yeah.
By tomorrow it will be on the YouTube also, Pavitra. So Swagata Sain Pilla is there and she says beautiful to begin with. Akansha Kadia, wow. Swagata again, what a pleasure. Nitya, RB, beautiful. Nandini Kattar, wow. Kumudini Talwa says Pranam Didi. Andrila, wonderful. Tamanna, incredible. Rekha Raju, nice. Purnima Saxena, good evening. Swagata Saint Pillai again, culture. Rich South India. Swagata surrounded by tradition and learning. Sandeep Malik is watching. Hi Sandeep Da, how are you? Lovely to see you on this line. And Swagata again says, kudos to you for balancing both and emerging equally good in both. Amazing. So we have a lot of people who are watching us. And on this thing, I would like to ask you, because as a dancer, we have our own preferences. It is technique, the nritya part, and the abhinaya. So what is closer to you most and why?
That's an interesting question. See, when I started my journey of dance, I used to always tell my Guruji, मुझे fast गाना चाहिए, मुझे बहुत fast कुछ चाहिए, बहुत fast चाहिए. And then he used to tell me, तुम्हें जैसे ही dance की समझ ज़्यादा आएगी, you will move towards literature of dance.
Yes.
And then it actually happened that now, of course, I like nritya, of course, I like pure dance, but मुझे वो ठहराव जो है ना डांस में वो बहुत पसंद है. The silence in between dance. It might be nritya or it might be abhinaya. But अभी आज के time पे I really like abhinaya because it has lots of artistic excellence. I feel बहुत ज़्यादा है जो बहुत it's very difficult.
Yeah, abhinaya is more difficult.
Yeah.
It emotionally churns you.
Of course, Bharatanatyam has its own beauty of lines, geometry, which is what actually pulled me towards it. So as I became, because I also little bit I got trained in Kathak, where I used to be crazy for Kathak.
That's news to me also. But that's news to me. So when did you no, I think hardly anybody knows that you...
Nobody knows about this.
Yeah, nobody knows. So that's why, you need to be in conversation with me so that we could come out with your little in-between secrets.
महाराष्ट्र में जब ये सब चल रहा था ना, so I used to be so much like, oh wow, ये चल रहा है, वो चल रहा है, so beautiful. Yeah.
But tell us about your Kathak training. When was it? How was it? How long was it? And what attracted you?
So as I told you, I was one of those, वो कौन होता है ना जो आप तवे में डालो कि वो थड़ ऊपर आता है.
Yeah.
So this is what I used to like always.
Okay.
So when I was in my 10th grade, or 9th grade in fact, so there was another teacher who came, Namita Churi madam करके है मुंबई में. So वो आते थे. So now coincidentally, she and Madhuri Dixit, they were batchmates.
Okay.
And then so in Kathak. जो घाड़गे गुरु जी के पास सीखे हैं मुंबई में.
Okay.
So then she used to come, and then I got trained for 3.5 years under her.
Wow, that's
I think
amazing.
100 घुंघरूस तक आया था मैं.
Acha, very nice. That's a lovely
It used to
surprise.
fascinate me. I'm telling you, and I used to start unknowingly. I used to start relating, correlating, seeing similarities, dissimilarities in rhythm, in abhinay, kabit mein, you know. So. In making my body light और भ्रमरी चक्कर में और जो पढ़ंत बोलते हैं बहुत I loved it.
Oh, lovely, lovely. I think I somewhere think that having to know 2 or 3 styles, it's been okay. Like our gurus have been very rigid that you can't learn another style. Okay, so that has made us the purist. We have understood the pure form of one classical dance style. Somewhere it has helped, but sometimes I feel that knowing another style just for the knowledge's sake, it enhances your main dance style also. Your repertoire opens up, your vocabulary opens up to a lot of extent, and it helps you to understand dance as such in a better way. So when you're talking about,
if you see Alarmelu Valli ma'am, unhone Bharatanatyam of course is her main forte, but then she also knows other style. There are so many great dancers. There is Malavika Sarukai Akka who knows Odissi.
Okay.
They are all great dancers, and they all know beautiful styles also. Which of course later, with you had to choose one style which is more dearer to you. And then you wanted to work more on it, and then I was blessed to get Deepak sir, and then with his, so I just got trained under him later.
So today I'll tell you one of
सीखने के बाद बहुत सारे he only guided me to go to many workshops and go and work in many productions, and that's when I actually got a lot of exposure and experience.
I'll tell you another secret of mine which people don't know. That I have been trained in Kuchipudi dance under Swapna Sundari Akka for almost for 1.5 years.
She's a joy.
I think I'm also fond of Abhinaya, and I think for definitely we love Maharaji's Abhinaya, but I think I've been more attracted to Swapna Sundari Akka's Abhinaya. So that
fabulous.
Influenced me a lot more. So almost 1.5 years I learned Kuchipudi and I enjoyed it, although I didn't take it up because already I was dancing Kathak for almost like for 12, 13 years. So, you know, I can't leave one dance style and take it up another. But yeah, knowing Kuchipudi was good, and especially knowing the Abhinaya aspect was definitely
That's
wonderful.
a news. नहीं पता था.
बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता. हम बदनाम हो जाएंगे. अच्छा तुम लोग ऐसे करते हो, पीछे छुपा के रखते हो. That's the fun of talking with Pavitra, because we have a lovely friendship that we can say. Okay, Pavitra, when we are talking about Abhinaya, what are you going to dance for us today? ऐसा हो नहीं सकता ना कि तुम आओ और तुम नहीं नाचो. ऐसा, this is not possible. So what are you going to dance for us today? Are you still there? Is your net working? Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Stop.
Got you.
So I said, you are here and it's not possible that we don't ask you to dance. You know? So Abhinay mein kya dikhayega?
Abhinay mein?
हाँ.
Acha, interesting. So, during this lockdown, I came across this very beautiful ghazal.
Again, Kathak side. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited.
No.
Bharatnatyam, yaar, Abhinay mein ya Bharatnatyam dancer doing a ghazal. It can only it can happen in my show.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत. So this ghazal, Nida Fazli ji hai, who has written fabulous ghazal. So it says, which I tried now during the lockdown, when you are actually having time for yourself to think on
Yes.
something.
Yes.
So उसके words है, गरज बरस प्यासी धरती को,
Uh-huh.
फिर पानी दे मौला,
Huh. Okay.
चिड़ियों को दाने, बच्चों को गुड़ धानी दे मौला.
Mola. Yes. I've heard
Very
this.
beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
And somewhere I thought कि ये आज का जो situation है,
Right.
where we all have to pray to that मौला यहाँ पर मेरे लिए is a universal energy,
Absolutely.
which we artists can definitely raise and collect it for the universal upliftment.
Right.
So I thought, why not work on this little bit, and then and whenever I have performed this, अभी मैंने 2 live किए थे
Right.
for an open audience. Like one
Okay.
was like general audience. It was not artist. So I wanted them to understand and then make them
Right.
understand, because it was more for COVID-19 fundraiser.
Okay.
So I thought, why not we do this for them? And then
Right.
I made one of my singer from Delhi,
Okay.
Satish Venkatesh,
Mhm.
sing this for me and send it like one day
Wow.
before.
Okay.
So इस सिर्फ तानपुरा और वोकल में इसको हमने रिकॉर्ड करके उसी को मैंने
बहुत
ऐसी
खूबसूरत. बहुत खूबसूरत. चलो, we are ready for your performance.
You ready?
Yes, absolutely.
अच्छा. कभी स्टॉप करना है आप मुझे बताइए.
नहीं तू लगा रहे कितना लंबा है? How long is the?
This is 4 paragraphs.
Okay.
So you can tell me when to stop now itself.
No, go on.
अच्छा.
We have time,
अच्छा.
and we know you're good.
ये बैठ के अभिनय नहीं है, खड़े रह के अभिनय है.
हाँ, कर.
I still remember your Sophie choreography. I know this is not a show of this, but then when I saw it, oh my God. And जब all girls they dance and वो जो एक महफिल हो जाता है ना उधर, जो एक
The
एक
energy,
vibration
again
create
that
होता है,
energy. Yes.
that Sophie energy
Yes.
is, yeah, that's next I want to try.
Try it with me.
Let me just check once the music.
And by the time you check, I could tell you some people who are online. Rakesh Saibabu says, hello, Pavitra, and hello, Alaknanda Di. Or
Hello.
Jagat Didi. Sudarshan Sahu says, wow, he was also part of our Maharas, Odyssey and Kathak together. Anchal Kapoor says, now we know from where you get the Abhinay Di. Okay, Badmash, kal subah pakad tere ko. Smita Sehdev is watching. Purnima Saxena is saying, you guys are doing tremendous job keeping our traditional arts alive and setting examples for generations to come. It's not everybody's cup of tea. Thank you, Purnima. Thank you so much. Swagata says, I've done Madhyama Purn in Kathak. Abe, Swagata, tu to yaar kamal hai. Rita Bhandari says, wow. Reema Jorman says, wow, it's amazing. And we get wow from Akumodita and Tulika also. And I think Soumya said something that I'll catch up later. Or, yeah, she said something. I don't know. I'll catch her up. Okay, Soumya Shukla says, this is exciting. Alaknandadi, this is your quarantine Natraj festival. Love watching Pavitra dance. It's always fun to do new things, and it is always fun to get the artists on live, and the artists should have a unity, and this is the whole idea. And Akhilesh Patel says that Namaskar Didi, Namaskar Bhaiya, both of you are my favorite, Didi and Bhaiya. So we become brother and sister. Wonderful experience to watch you live. ऐसे भी मैं तेरे को चिंता ही बुलाती हूँ, भाई बुलाती हूँ, या तू ओक्का बुलाता है. Bonus, I get to see both, see good dancing and hear beautiful music. Yes, Ruchi Sharma says, wow. So we are on for your dance.
गरज बरस प्यासी धरती पर फिर पानी दे मौला। गरज बरस प्यासी धरती पर फिर पानी दे मौला। गरज बरस प्यासी धरती पर फिर पानी दे मौला। चिड़ियों को दाने, बच्चों को गुड़धानी दे मौला। गरज बरस प्यासी धरती पर फिर पानी दे मौला। निसरी पगा गमरे सा निसरी दनी निसा। निसरी पगा गमरे सा निसनी दनी निसा। निसरी सरी सरी मनी पगा गमरे सा निसनी दनी सा। दो और दो का जोड़ हमेशा चार कहाँ होता है। दो और दो का जोड़ हमेशा चार कहाँ होता है। दो और दो का जोड़ हमेशा चार कहाँ होता है। सोच समझ वालों को थोड़ी नादानी दे मौला। सोच समझ वालों को थोड़ी नादानी दे मौला। चिड़ियों को दाने, बच्चों को गुड़धानी दे मौला। गरज बरस प्यासी धरती पर फिर पानी दे मौला। निसरी पगा गमरे सा निसनी दनी निसा। निसरे मनी पगा गमरे सा निसनी दनी निसा। फिर रोशन कर जहर का प्याला, चमका नहीं सलीबे। फिर रोशन कर जहर का प्याला, चमका नहीं सलीबे। झूठों की दुनिया में सच को ताबानी दे मौला। चिड़ियों को दाने, बच्चों को गुड़धानी दे मौला। गरज बरस गरज बरस प्यासी धरती पर फिर पानी दे मौला। रे रे ने सरे पगा गमारे सा नि ध नि रे सा। नि सरे 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 रे नि सरे नि पगा गमारे नि ध नि रे सा। नि सरे सरे पा पा ma pa ga 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 ma re ni da ni sa ni sa re ni da ni sa. फिर मूरत से बाहर आकर चारों ओर बिखर जा। फिर मूरत से
वाह
बाहर आकर चारों ओर बिखर जा।
वाह
फिर मंदिर को कोई मीरा दीवानी दे मौला। फिर मंदिर को दीवानी, फिर मंदिर को कोई मीरा दीवानी दे मौला। चिड़ियों को दाने, बच्चों को गुड़धानी दे मौला। गरज बरस प्यासी धरती पर फिर पानी दे मौला। ने दम पसा सा नि सा रे रे नि सा रे प गा ग म रे सा रे द म प सा सा नि सा रे रे नि सा रे प गा ग म रे सा रे प प म प गा ग ग म रे नि द नि सा ni da ni ni sa ni da ni ni sa. तेरे होते कोई किसी की जान का दुश्मन क्यों हो। तेरे होते कोई किसी की जान का दुश्मन क्यों हो। जीने वालों को मरने की
आजादी
आज़ादी मौला। जीने वालों को मरने की आसानी दे
आसानी दे
मौला। चिड़ियों को दाने, बच्चों को गुड़धानी दे मौला। गरज बरस प्यासी धरती पर फिर पानी दे मौला। फिर पानी दे मौला। फिर पानी दे मौला।
I think everybody must be clapping from their own, you know, when they're watching this. It's amazing, and it is such a beautiful ghazal. And I have heard this, but now inspired by you, I say I take inspiration from everybody. I'll do this. I will do this. I will do this. This is beautiful, Pavitra, and you are amazing.
Thank
Amazing.
you.
You're
Thank you.
amazing. And I somewhere feel, you know, that Abhinaya is so spiritual, you know.
Yeah.
My spiritual guru used to say, and he believed that dance and music is the second form of meditation, and it
Yeah.
takes you to God in an easier way. The way
Yeah.
you connect, the trance of dance,
Yeah.
and not fast dancing, but of abhinaya.
Yeah.
and that feel definitely connects you to the Almighty, or
Definitely.
whatever you would call that
Yeah.
energy. You know,
Yeah.
it's wonderful. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Thank you.
You know, I'm open with my showering my love with everybody. So I don't see it's a man or a woman. If it's to be appreciated, it's to be appreciated. And so over here we have Smita More. Hi Allah, hi Pavitra, love you. Andrila says, mesmerizing, sir. Your dance recitals are always a treat to eyes. Rima says, it's beautiful. Akansha says, so beautiful. Soumya Prabhupai says, wow. Piyush Raj says, nice ghazal in Bharatanatyam style. Yes, Piyush, everything is possible in this world. We just need to open up our boundaries and look beyond. And Akhilesh says, all the best. Bhaiya, your performance is always so beautiful and tremendous. And Andrila Bondupada says, pranam ma'am, pranam sir. Are Andrila, itna buddha mat banao. Hi, hello se chal sakta hai kaam. Or you can say, Moa ma'am, I can give you more back to you. And that's lovely. And Swagata says, bonus is I get to see both good dancing and hear beautiful music. So, and she says, Satish has a divine voice.
Yes,
So
yes,
this
yes,
is
he
so
is.
amazing to
And
do
believe
this.
me, ये क्या हुआ कि you'll not believe. I practiced this music with the original track.
Yeah.
And रात को 12:30 बजे I was just, 12:30 a.m. like midnight. ऐसी balcony में बैठ के I was thinking, let me just try, because it's a pre-recorded track. I don't know if it will be allowed in Facebook to dance or not. And ऐसे ही मेरा एक account है जो वो मैं चालू नहीं करता है, वो ऐसे ही it's just on, it's like abandoned account types. वो मेरा बहुत चुना account है, कोई देखता भी नहीं है वो. so उसमें मैंने ऐसे ही एक live करके देखा, and then 30 seconds में I got a message that this is paid music, so you have to take the rights, you have to buy the rights. And I was like, oh my goodness, what now? And then suddenly savere मैंने सतीश को phone किया, and then he recorded it for me. 6:30 was my performance. 5 o'clock I get the music.
6:30, where did you perform it?
For Facebook Live for one organization.
Oh, wow.
And 5 he sent me.
So nice. God bless such artists. God bless such artists, because usually our fraternity is always fighting and is a very insecure fraternity, but very sweet of him. God bless him.
In one morning,
yeah,
put swarams, because उसमें actually स्वर नहीं है ना, उसमें तो chords बजाए गए हैं.
Right.
So then he made his स्वर और उसने उसको डाल के उसने record करके भेज दिया.
And you know, because it is just his voice and Tanpura, so it is very soulful.
Absolutely.
हंगामा नहीं है जो usually हम लोग सुनते हैं. कभी कभी डांस या म्यूजिक मुझे हंगामा लगता है या तमाशा लगता है.
Yeah.
You know, so I don't like that tamasha of art form. Yeah. I like it to be more subtle and eternal and more spiritual. So his voice, his plain voice, and Josie Tanpura and you dancing, divine. It's it really makes the show really very special. Again, coming to the male dancers. There's a lot of talk going on about performance and payment. Okay. So what is your experience with the organizers, and what do you feel? Are the artists paid adequately or not? Especially male dancers. Do you think the money is good enough or not?
Only, you mean to say, to survive as a career?
Yes, to survive as a career, or to be, say, that payment is of dignity, that the payment is dignified enough that you get paid.
I have been lucky that initial stage, of course, I have not been paid anyway initially when I started performing. But since last some years, organizers have been really kind that they pay, and if it's a live performance, of course they pay for the musicians also. Because the festivals are of that standard.
Okay.
But some festivals they don't pay, which will be like you don't earn anything from that, but then you pay everything for the musicians.
Yes.
That also happens.
That also happens.
Definitely that happens. But then कभी कभी ऐसे होता है कि you like last year, 2 years back, there was a festival in Kerala where this happened, and luck would have it, somebody called me from Trivandrum that आपको एक आप anyways यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं, हमने देखा कि आपका performance है, would you like to take a workshop for us?
Okay.
And I was lucky that I could take a workshop for the kids, and then the performance, I didn't get paid much. It
Okay.
was a live performance, so I had to pay everything to the musicians,
Yeah.
which happens sometimes. But luckily that time I had a
Workshop that helped you to recoup
that
your.
helped me to earn. Yeah, so this happens sometimes.
It is
Definitely this
not a
happens.
very favorable situation, right, Pavitra?
Not at all. Not at all.
So, what would you like to say to the organizers or the festival organizers, or how do you think we come to a collective, decision that we should make this change?
Either collectively all the artists should take a step that हम नहीं करेंगे. But problem कहाँ होता है दीदी कि जब सभी कुछ लोग आते हैं और वो बोलते हैं कि हम भी करें, हम करेंगे, it doesn't matter, we will dance.
Without payment also.
That is where the problem comes. If everybody together don't dance at all,
Right.
like for example अभी जो काफी जगह पे live हो रहे हैं, काफी जगह पे live performances हो रहे हैं, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. And seriously, there are some organizations, not naming them, but they paid us to perform.
Okay, good.
They paid us to perform. But there are so many which are just happening. So ऐसे हम, I have also come across some people who just say that 6 बजे को 10 live होते हैं, तो मैं सभी live देखती हूँ कैसे तो भी करके, and then I just log in, I see all the live somehow, and then I just come out of it. So then what is the use of such performance?
Right.
In that way, you can just dance, record it, and just be happy.
Yeah.
Just post it. So,
That's why I started this session, because there's a lot of things which are happening all over during this time, and it keeps on happening, whether it's a quarantine or not, it keeps on happening, and there's nobody who talks about it, everybody is pushing it below the blanket, but
abhi
below the blanket possible nahi hai solution.
Yeah.
So you would say that your school helps you to keep very much in
my teaching. Definitely, I have lots of online classes since last 14 years.
Yeah. Again, same. I also agree.
14 साल हो गए कि मैं अमेरिका को सिखाता हूँ. So my classes were on, and then अभी मेरा जो यहाँ पर dance school है. So then that's the only way where we dancers, I feel we get this
our bread and butter and cake from there.
Like a monthly income, you can say.
Yes.
Like a fixed income. Otherwise, it's very difficult being a performer, or you have to have a legacy with you where definitely you are confident on getting performances.
Right.
Of course, you also have to be a great dancer. Along with that, legacy सिर्फ होके भी कुछ नहीं होता है.
Yeah. But also that I also believe that you some are very great dancers, but they're not very great human beings.
Yeah. You are right.
You're right. I told you I will not give you the question, so we are going to come right straight onto this show. Because it is very important that legacies are fine, but then we need good people around us, and also we need our mentors or our gurus, and when we are also getting senior, we should leave the stage or share the stage with the younger artists also.
Yeah.
So somewhere that obsessive nature of our artist or the insecure nature of an artist is eating us up. Is that so?
Yes, you're right. Because of this इतना क्यों अभी online हो भी रहा है, I think it's because of that.
Yeah.
I mean, too many this obsessive thing, insecure thing maybe, which is actually making everybody to come in on screen. I
Right.
think so.
It's a overdose. It's a
Yeah,
overdose.
overdose, yeah.
Sometimes I just flip up. Again, another performance. I flip up
हाँ, like
because
वो challenges होते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज होते हैं.
exactly.
Initially, it was quite welcome change when
Okay.
the lockdown started, but
Yeah.
90 दिन नहीं देख सकते.
Correct. So please artists, थोड़ा सा थम जाओ, थोड़ा सा रुक जाओ, थोड़ा ठहराव ले आइए, and please have a little bit of give us a little break. But also, I also feel if you want to do it, because we have the option of flipping up.
We have
So,
option. Yes,
we have an
definitely.
option. So if you want to do it, you can do it, and we have our own option. Tell me, how do you spend your, because we are not able to go out, and even the classes are not happening on a personal level. So how has these 60 days been with you? How did you manage? Did you cook?
पिछले 25 दिन से तो मैं घर पर ही हूँ क्योंकि हमारा बिल्डिंग ही सील्ड है.
Oh, there's a case around?
Positive case, yeah.
Oh,
The same society, so
okay, okay,
positive case, but then luckily the patient is out of danger,
right.
and then but then there is just quarantine time, so 28 तारीख तक हमारा society sealed है.
Oh God. So what are you doing? Are you cooking? Because you know my shows are not going to be just serious.
No,
So-
you have to ask this. You have
How?
to definitely ask,
So
because
I always say कि men should know the life skills.
so हमारे घर पर there is
हाँ.
a maid, there are 2 maid servants,
Okay.
there is a cook and
Okay.
a home care for my parents.
Okay.
So like my mom का exercise करवाती है, all those things. Because of the corona tension, fear,
Yeah.
none of them are home.
Oh.
You can imagine. And my wife is stuck in Bangalore.
Uh-huh.
The
Sone pe suhaga. What else could you ask for?
So I got trained so well.
Yeah.
And मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि मैं इस गुरु पूर्णिमा को ना YouTube को आरती लगाने वाला हूँ.
So तुम्हारी रोटी गोल होती है?
एकदम फुलती भी है.
और फूलती है तुम उसके पे मक्खन लगाते हो या घी लगाते हो?
घी लगाता हूँ जरूर.
Okay. So as I keep on
Because
asking.
my father only has rotis all 3 times.
Okay. So.
And my mom only has rice.
Okay. So you have to cook both.
Both. And ऊपर से my father has salad with chapati.
Okay. Okay.
My mom needs some sabji or sambar or something.
Okay.
So
So after lockdown, when things start moving, I can come for a dinner to your place.
definitely आप जरूर आ सकते हो. And sweets भी बनाता हूँ. खीर
Oh,
बनाता
very
हूँ.
good. हाँ तुझे पता है मेरे को मीठा पसंद है. After food, I
हाँ.
need something मीठा. Okay. What has been your favorite appreciation from a fan? Your favorite fan moment? अब इतना तो तेरे को सोचना नहीं पड़ता पवित्रा.
हाँ, क्योंकि इतने सारे moments आते
हाँ,
हैं.
so you're choosing. Oh my God, your modesty. Oh my God, you're such a modest person. Oh God, how could I forget that? चल बोल दे. What's your favorite fan moment?
Favorite fan moment, हाँ. This was in Beed. There's a place called Beed in Maharashtra.
Okay.
बहुत छोटा सा गांव है.
हाँ.
वहां पर मैं परफॉर्म करने गया था. And you have to of course go by train.
हाँ.
ट्रेन में after I came down, ट्रेन से उतरा हूँ कि वहां पर एक लड़का ऐसे मोबाइल में खेल रहा था. वो देख रहा है, आप पवित्र भट्ट हो.
Oh my God, so sweet.
Believe me, he took a selfie. तभी के तभी उसने Facebook में डाल भी दिया. For me, it was very touching, very very touching कि इतने छोटे से गांव में भी somebody has seen you and they recognize you.
Absolutely.
Which is really nice. Of course, thanks to social media.
Yeah.
Because we also post things and they relate to us, they watch us.
Absolutely. You know, social media, everything has its good and bad points. It's how you use it, you know.
Yes.
Fire, you can make a bomb out of it, and you can also light a diya. So actually your own attitude depends upon how you use it. So when was your first date?
First date?
Yes.
What is that? First date?
Yes.
आपको डेट तो मुझे याद नहीं है, पर it
But
was
what age?
2001.
2008. 20 years down the line.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Has any female fan ever proposed to you?
Social media में सामने सामने उनको I think they didn't have the guts to ask.
Oh my, why do you say so? My goodness, Pavitra. Okay, so which is your favorite destination, holiday destination? India?
Oh, I would want to go to Switzerland definitely, which I've never been to.
Okay, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I've been there.
I want to go. It's my dream destination. Yeah.
Okay, and in India?
Go and perform in Australia, which I wanted to always.
Okay.
अभी तो cancel हुआ है. My first Australia tour got cancelled now because of
Oh, it will happen soon. Don't worry.
Yeah.
It will come back. And in India, which place?
To perform or to
To
just go-
vacation.
Oh, on a vacation. Anywhere in Northeast.
Northeast. Okay, yes. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Northeast is beautiful.
And it's very sensible. The way they are handling the quarantine situation, the way they are handling the pandemic situation. I think they are the most sensible people and doing it so wonderfully for the people.
Yeah.
So I think it's very nice. What's your favorite poison? And don't tell me you don't drink.
Sorry? Red wine. That's
Yeah. Bingo. Your cuisine. A cuisine. Your cuisine. Italian. So the lady who takes you for a date, she knows that she has to get you a red wine and has to take you for an Italian. But whom would you like to take for a date? Except for your wife.
आप भी नहीं हैं अभी तो
अच्छा सीधा तीर मेरे पे वेरी गुड
जब भी हम बाहर गए बहुत मजे किए
देख मेरे साथ तो मजा ही मजा है because I believe in enjoying life. I really don't care who's there with me and all of you are so great and so nice and I'm good fun to be with. So मजे ही है but except for me.
वो तो है
हाँ.
आपके पता नहीं यार
Really?
सच्ची में नहीं पता
Pavitra is being so shy. Okay, so what is your dream that you still want to achieve? Yeah.
I don't have anything like a dream to achieve, but yes,
Yeah.
I always want to be really a knowledgeable artist. That has
Okay.
been always been my wish. कि मैं I never should feel that अरे ये मैं नहीं सीख पाया. So मुझे I always feel about this that if somebody asks me to explain something, to teach something or to share some knowledge, then I should not be like अरे ये तो मुझे नहीं आती and how do I teach them?
Okay.
So in
So you're
whatever
not running
journey of
after
life-
awards and names and honors?
Sorry?
You're not running after awards and
I am not
honors,
running after them. जब मिलना है वो आ ही जाएगा.
but you still have a dream that you should be felicitated with awards?
Yeah, if I am in my journey of art, definitely if I am if the organizers feel that I should get it, then yes.
It is not the organizers, it is the basically that band of senior artists or the ministry which feels
I will keep trying my best, working hard and
Yes.
doing my best in my art form and feel happy of whatever I do. And I'm sure it will happen.
and what would
I believe a lot in the universal energy.
yes I do too.
Somebody watching us always.
Always I do believe in that. And also that there has been a lot of ranting by the male dancers on the social media that they're frustrated and they don't want to become an artist. They made a wrong choice of being an artist and they would not ask anybody to become an artist. So what is your call on that?
No, I don't feel so. It's lovely to be an artist, I feel.
Isn't it?
I am
Yeah.
not born with a silver spoon, believe
Yeah.
me. It's
Yeah.
only hard work, but it depends how much and what. I'm sure hard work own its own pleasure. Sincere hard work, not thinking of anything else. Of course, you have to be smart enough to also go and apply to festivals initially. You cannot sit at home and say कि हाँ
Yes.
बाबा मुझे सामने से कोई आके देगा. Never. If you are when you are young or when you are old, वो you have to talk to people that I am a dancer and I want to perform. वो तो आपको
Yes.
करना ही पड़ेगा. जब तक आप दिखाओगे नहीं कि आप अच्छे हो, कोई आके आपको पूछने वाला नहीं है.
Exactly.
That is
Actually, you
difficult.
have to keep on reinventing yourself.
Yeah.
You know, that's very important. And I always feel that there's not only one part. You can have 10 parts which you can reinvent. I never thought I would be doing these shows, live shows. But because I love to talk and I have very good friends like all of you, I thought that was a very nice medium to come on line and speak to all of you and know about your journey and let the audience know about your journey. So that it is very being on stage, an artist has a distance, you know, from the audience. But
Yeah.
online, when you're speaking, you can come closer to the
Yeah.
artist. So what
And
would
that's the only reason.
yeah
अभी lockdown के time में I started on YouTube.
yeah okay
Know me more.
oh wow
Thursdays.
oh wow
So every Thursdays evening I come live in YouTube and I perform something and then I also speak about some things. So
okay
there are already questions which I already get in Facebook and YouTube and Instagram. So I answer those questions in that video every Thursday.
So guys, so it is Thursdays. At what time do you do that?
Evening 6:30 live in
Evening
YouTube
6:30.
channel of mine.
That is the smartness of an artist, what one should have. You know, I don't like dumb artists. Look, Pavitra just promoted his online live, and I like that. I like that, Pavitra, that you have that quick sense, you know, to talk about yourself and let
Yeah,
people know about
definitely. You
yourself.
need to.
You need to be intelligent
You know, when I was
artist.
growing, I must tell you this.
Yes.
When I was working as an artist, and then this was, I think, almost 10 years back. Somebody told me, quite a big guru,
Huh.
पवित्र हमने सुना है कि आप खुद के बारे में काफी जगह में काफी सारा सोशल मीडिया में डालते रहते हो,
हाँ.
थोड़ा कम करना क्योंकि अच्छा नहीं है.
अच्छा.
I was just thinking तभी कि अगर मैं खुद के बारे में नहीं करूंगा तो कौन आके मेरे लिए करने वाला है. जब भी मैं 20 साल का था, no, so nobody's going to come and do it for me. At least my dance or my picture, that's it, nothing else.
Yeah. The same thing. I think what you got a calling at 20, I got a calling at 40. So, you know, like to see the dance the
And
way
with
I want
age-
to see it.
And with age हम बदल जाते ही हैं.
Huh. You know, dance is something we have got from God and our gurus, but
Yeah.
the way we want to see it is a different equation. Because for
Yeah.
me, dance means, you know, another message, a social message. It is about educating the society.
Yeah.
So I think at 40, I realized that I have to put my mind, you know, on the social media or to how to express it or to come forward. So
Yeah.
I just love your smartness and intelligence. So audience, an artist needs to be smart and intelligent also. Like I always say, I want to be the Shah Rukh Khan of Kathak fraternity. It's not the money, it's about the brains that he has. So that's lovely talking to you, Pavitra. It was amazing. And it's always nice to get back to you and speak to you. And we'll meet again soon.
Love to
in
your
person.
2 kids. They are,
Oh,
they are
yes.
fabulous.
Yes, Joy and
आज
Adu.
कोई आया नहीं पीप करने.
बैठा हुआ है एक मेरे साइड पे बैठा हुआ है कि मेरे को हेल्प करेगा की जरूरत है. Joy, Pavitra is calling you.
Assistants.
Yeah, my assistants are very much there with me.
Your right, left, center,
Yes,
up.
yes, that's my elder one.
Hi.
Come down. And where's Adu? Call Adu. Adu. Adu.
Adu always comes as a backdrop and he goes.
Yes. He will always have his own little fun. And he got his call, Adu. So he got his new mobile after the lockdown. Pavitra is asking for you. Come here. There he goes. I think you had lovely time with both of them, and they had lovely time with you. And it is always nice. And we came for your wedding also, so it was really nice to come to Bombay at that time when I was going to a life turning point, and that was a nice break. But it is always nice to talk to you, and stay blessed, stay happy, stay smart, and stay connected and artistic as you are always. God bless you.
Next episodes.
Yes, tomorrow we'll be back again here, and with a new look. I think this look was good enough. And so tomorrow at 8 p.m. we will be back with Vinod Kevin, with Odissi dancer, a disciple of Guru Ranjana Gauhar. And there's a lot to know about and them and hear from them, because it's time let the man speak. And as I say, please educate your sons with life skills. We educate our daughters. They are very well equipped. The girls are smart. And I don't say the boys are not smart. They are very smart. They're very intelligent. They say it's a man's world. They don't say just like that. But it's very important to teach your sons the life skills for their own survival and for the a little better survival of your daughters. So please mark it that groom your son as well as you groom your daughter. Thank you so much. Bye, Pavitra. See you tomorrow. Checking the site out, and this show will be on the YouTube by tomorrow. You can catch on that.
Oh, lovely.
Bye, sayonara, and Shabakar. Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak, Eid Mubarak.